Get ready to dive into the luxurious world of dreams Playa Mujeres Golf and Spa Resort, a stunning five-star, all-inclusive paradise nestled in the gated community of Playa Mujeres, just 16 kilometers north of Cancun. This ultra-modern resort opened its doors in the fall of 2016 and has since become a top-rated destination for families and couples alike. So, grab your virtual sunglasses and let's explore this Mexican gem. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? Dreams Playa Mujeres offers a variety of room types to suit every traveler's needs. From the preferred Club Junior Suite Ocean View to the spacious Family Suite, there's something for everyone. Picture yourself waking up to breathtaking ocean views from your private balcony, sipping coffee as you lounge on your daybed. These rooms aren't just a place to crash. They're your personal oasis. With amenities like jacuzzi tubs, flat-screen TVs, and minibars, you might be tempted never to leave your room. But trust me, you'll want to explore what else this resort has to offer. Now, let's talk about the most important part of any vacation: food. Dreams Playa Mujeres doesn't disappoint with its diverse dining options. Craving authentic Mexican cuisine? Head to Tres Colores for some mouth-watering tacos and enchiladas. Feeling carnivorous? The Gaucho Grill serves up churrasco-style grilled meats that'll make your taste buds dance. And if you're in the mood for some Asian flair, Fusion offers teppanyaki-style dishes and sushi that'll transport you straight to Tokyo. But wait, there's more! With a 24-hour snack bar and an ice cream parlor, you'll never go hungry. And let's not forget about the swim-up bars, because nothing says vacation like sipping a piña colada while lounging in the pool. Speaking of pools, Dreams Playa Mujeres is practically a water park disguised as a resort. With 2 infinity pools, 6 whirlpools, 2 children's pools, and an actual water park, you'll be spoiled for choice. Whether you want to relax with a book by the pool or zoom down water slides, there's something for everyone. And if you're lucky enough to be a preferred club guest, you'll have exclusive access to the lazy river. Just imagine floating along, cocktail in hand, without a care in the world. Now that's what I call living the dream. But wait, there's more. The beach at Dreams Playa Mujeres is a slice of paradise. With approximately 1 kilometer of pristine sandy beachfront and crystal-clear blue waters, it's the perfect spot for some R&R. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not try your hand at some non-motorized water sports? Kayaking, paddleboarding, or maybe a game of beach volleyball. The choice is yours. And don't worry about lugging around beach gear. The resort provides towels, umbrellas, and lounge chairs. They've even got beachside bar and restaurant services, so you never have to stray too far from your sun-soaked spot. Now, let's talk about activities, because Dreams Playa Mujeres is all about keeping you entertained. Ever wanted to learn Spanish? They've got lessons for that. Fancy yourself a tequila connoisseur? Join a tasting session. From beach and pool volleyball to theme nights and beach parties, there's always something happening. And when the sun goes down, the entertainment kicks up a notch with nightly shows in the theater or on the beach. Live music, dance performances. It's like having your own private festival every night. But what if you're traveling with kids? Fear not. The Explorers Club is a paradise for the little ones. With activities like crafts, treasure hunts, sandcastle building, and board games, your kids will be having so much fun they might forget about you. Just kidding, they'll probably remember you at mealtimes. And the best part? The club operates from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m., giving you plenty of time for some adult-only relaxation. Speaking of relaxation, let's not forget about the spa. The Dream Spa by Pevonia is a haven of tranquility. Offering a wide range of treatments from massages to facials and body treatments, it's the perfect place to unwind. And with facilities like a sauna, steam room, and relaxation areas, you might find yourself spending more time here than by the pool. Don't forget to check out their signature treatments and seasonal specials, because you deserve to be pampered. For those who like to stay active on vacation, the fitness center has got you covered. With state-of-the-art cardio machines, strength training equipment, and free weights, you can keep up with your workout routine. And if you prefer group activities, why not join a yoga or Pilates class? Or, if you're feeling particularly motivated, book a session with a personal trainer. Just remember, the gym opens at 6 a.m., so you can squeeze in a workout before hitting the breakfast buffet. Now, let's venture beyond the resort. Dreams Playa Mujeres is perfectly situated for exploring some of the area's top attractions. Fancy a day trip to Isla Mujeres? It's just a 30-minute ferry ride away. Want to explore the underwater world without getting wet? The Cancun Underwater Museum is a 20-minute drive from the resort. And for those seeking adventure, Ecoret Park is a 45-minute drive away, offering everything from snorkeling to ziplining. The resort even offers guided tours to these attractions, so you don't have to worry about the logistics. Let's dive into some of the resort's hidden gems that make it truly extraordinary. One of the most magical experiences is their weekly stargazing and s'mores evening on the beach. The resort's resident astronomer guides you through the constellations visible in the Caribbean sky while you roast marshmallows and make gourmet s'mores with Mexican chocolate. It's an experience that perfectly blends education with indulgence. For the golf enthusiasts, the resort's proximity to the Greg Norman-designed Playa Mujeres golf course is a major draw. This 18-hole championship course offers stunning ocean views from almost every hole, and resort guests enjoy preferred tee times and special rates. The Pro Shop even offers custom club fittings and private lessons for those looking to improve their game under the Mexican sun. Another unique feature is the resort's chef's garden tour and cooking class. Twice a week, the executive chef leads a small group through the resort's organic herb and vegetable garden, where you'll learn about local ingredients and sustainable farming practices. The tour culminates in a hands-on cooking class where you'll prepare traditional Mexican dishes using fresh-picked ingredients. It's a farm-to-table experience that'll give you bragging rights and recipes to take home. But what makes Dreams Playa Mujeres truly special? It's the little things. The friendly staff who go above and beyond to make your stay memorable. The attention to detail in every aspect of the resort. The way they've managed to create a space that's both family-friendly and romantic. It's no wonder the resort consistently ranks as one of the top family-friendly resorts in Riviera Maya and has won numerous awards, including the TripAdvisor Traveler's Choice Award. Of course, no resort is perfect, and Dreams Playa Mujeres is no exception. Some guests have mentioned issues with the early morning Hunger Games to reserve umbrellas and cabanas by the pool, and a few have noted that the quality of drinks could be improved. But when you look at the overall picture, the stunning location, the range of amenities, the variety of activities, these minor quibbles fade into the background. So, whether you're planning a family vacation, a romantic getaway, or even a solo adventure, Dreams Playa Mujeres Golf and Spa Resort offers something for everyone. From the moment you check in at 3 p.m., by the way, to the moment you reluctantly check out at noon, but you'll wish it was later, you'll be immersed in a world of luxury, relaxation, and fun. Just remember to book early, especially during peak seasons, and consider opting for one of their special packages or promotions for even better value. In conclusion, Dreams Playa Mujeres isn't just a resort, it's a destination in itself. It's a place where you can create memories that will last a lifetime, whether you're building sandcastles with your kids, enjoying a romantic dinner under the stars, or simply lounging by the pool with a good book. So why wait? Start planning your dream vacation today. After all, life's too short to dream about paradise when you can actually visit it. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.